Hey guys, Dietitian Becky. I want to chat with you for a little bit about MCT oil, what it is, what it does for you, and how you can use it. First of all, MCT oil is just a version of saturated fat. It's medium chain triglycerides. There are different kinds of fats, long chain, medium chain, short chain. They are labeled based on their carbon chain. So one's long, one's medium, one's short. And what that means to you and me is basically the longer chains take more effort for our body to digest. Things like butter, nuts, seeds, olive oils. Those are the fats that we eat a lot of. Those are usually longer chain. The big thing about MCTs, medium chain triglycerides, is they're easier for our body to use. It doesn't require all the digestive enzymes. It doesn't require the big process that the long chain triglycerides require. What do you think that means? That means we can use them quicker. It goes to our liver, gets converted to energy and ketones, and it gives you a boost of energy a lot quicker than the ordinary fats. What I like to think of MCT oil as is a supplement. It's a way, you don't want to take all those other fats out of your diet by any means. All the fats have so many benefits. What you want to do is add this to your diet in certain ways to give you that extra energy, to give you that boost, to give you all the things you may need. Now, when I say the things you may need, what I mean is, what does MCT do for you? Well, it can do a lot of things. It can help with weight loss by increasing satiety. It can also give you instant energy or more energy for your workouts because of the way it's processed and how rapidly it's absorbed. It can also help with your brain and mental focus. A lot of people like to take it in the morning because it helps give that instant energy to their brain. A lot of people will do it after they're fasting, or some will do it during their fasting, and I'll talk about that in a second. Because it extends that ketosis, it gives you a little boost. Now, it won't put you in ketosis, and you don't have to be in ketosis to take it. You don't have to be on the keto diet. I'm not on the keto diet, and I use it because it's a healthy fat. It gives me energy. It has a myriad of great effects just from the MCT alone, other than the ones I'm even listing. I'm just giving you a short list. So it helps with workouts, it helps with your mental focus, it helps with satiety, it can help with obesity, through bringing weight down because you're more satisfied. It can help keep you in ketosis. Now, let me talk to you a little bit about when do you use it and when not to use it. First of all, with MCT oil, it's a fragile oil, so it has a lower smoke point. That means you don't want to get it above 320 degrees or you will break it down and you'll get you won't get the benefits. So you can cook with it, but I would definitely just lightly saute, if at all. What I would do is I would drizzle it on things. I would use a little on your salad, maybe in the afternoon, or you can put it anywhere you want. In your smoothies, you can put it, some people use extra fat in their peanut butter, or you can use it in anything because it's tasteless and odorless. But what you don't want to really do is cook at high temperatures with it. Also with fasting, I think it's a great thing to do. Just watch. If you're going to fast for a long period of time, if that's the first thing you're going to have in your coffee, it may give you some GI upset because of the long fasting, and your gut's pretty sensitive after that because you haven't eaten in a while. And then if you put that oil in there, it can just give you a little upset stomach. So I like to recommend that maybe you do it on your second meal if you've been fasting for a while. And also, you may want to think about, if you haven't used MCT before, start off slow. 1 teaspoon, and then gradually, after a couple of days, go up and up. And your goal could be maybe 2 tablespoons a day. Some people can do more, but I would just keep it at that. It just depends on you and how you work with your doctor and your dietitian and what your diet is. Because it does have calories, you guys. It is a fat, and it has about 115 calories a tablespoon. It has 8.3 calories per gram, which is less than normal fat, which is 9 calories per gram. So that's better, but it's still calories. So if you're adding a couple tablespoons and you're not making any other changes, you're gonna get a couple of extra 100 calories a day. So just know that. You can use it maybe on your salad as opposed to using olive oil once a day. Find ways you can add it in without making it add a lot of extra calories to your diet. You can swap it out occasionally, just don't swap it out for every fat. So it is a great source of a healthy fat that can do a lot of wonderful things in your body. Watch how you handle it because it's a fragile oil, but if you follow the guidelines, you should be great and you should get a lot of benefits from it. like I mentioned before. So go ahead, try some. Order it today. You'll love it. You won't regret it. Just start slow.